Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Storyboard English podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Leo. Hello.
Today, we have a very special episode. We are going to talk about the place where you sleep, eat, and relax.
Our homes. This is a really important topic, Sarah. When I meet new people, they always ask, "Where do you live?" or "What is your house like?"
Exactly. Whether you live in a big house or a small apartment, by the end of this episode, you will be able to give a great tour of your home in English.
I'm ready. Let's get started.
First, let's talk about the type of home. Leo, what are the most common words we use here?
Well, usually people say house or apartment. In the UK, they might say flat.
Correct. So you can say, I live in a house, or I live in an apartment.
Sarah, I live in a building with many floors, but it is very small. It is just one room. What is that called?
If it is just one room, we call it a studio. But let's talk about location. This is where your home is. Number 1, the city centre. Busy, loud, near shops. Number 2, the suburbs. Quiet, family areas outside the city. Number 3, the countryside. Lots of nature, far from the city.
Ah, okay. Let me try. I live in a small studio in the city center.
Perfect. Listeners, repeat after Leo. I live in a small studio in the city centre. Or, if you like nature, I live in a big house in the countryside.
Okay, so we know where it is. But people want to know what it feels like.
Yes, we need adjectives. These are describing words. Leo, can you give me 3 positive words to describe a home?
Sure. 1. Spacious. This means big with lots of room. 2. Modern. This means it looks new and stylish. 3. Bright. This means it has big windows and lots of sunlight.
Excellent. Now, what about words for a smaller home?
1. Small. Obviously. 2. Cozy. I love this word. Cozy means small, but comfortable and warm. Like a hug.
Cozy is a great word. So you can say, my apartment is small, but it is very cozy.
Or, my house is very spacious and modern.
Listeners, think about your home right now. Is it spacious or is it cozy? Okay, Leo, imagine we are opening the front door. Give us a tour. What is the grammar we use here?
We usually use there is for one thing, or there are for many things.
Right, go ahead.
Okay, welcome to my home. When you walk in, you see the living room. In the living room, there is a big sofa and a TV. This is where I relax.
Nice. What is next to the living room?
Next to the living room is the kitchen. It is a modern kitchen. There is a fridge, a stove, and a table. I like to cook here every evening.
Note that Leo used the phrase next to. This helps people understand the map of the house. What about sleeping?
Down the hall, there are 2 bedrooms. My bedroom is bright. There is a big bed and a wardrobe for my clothes.
And the most important room?
The bathroom. It has a shower and a mirror.
Do you have any outdoor space, Leo?
Yes. I live in an apartment, so I have a balcony. If I lived in a house, I might have a backyard or a garden.
Okay, we have the pieces. Type and location. Adjectives. The rooms.
Let's put it all together into one short story. Sarah, can you describe your dream home for us using everything we learned?
I would love to. Here is my story. I live in a beautiful house in the countryside. It is not very big, but it is very cozy. When you walk inside, there is a sunny living room with a comfortable sofa. Next to the living room, there is a large kitchen because I love baking. My house has 2 bedrooms. From my bedroom window, I can see the garden. I love my home because it is quiet and peaceful.
Wow, that sounds lovely. I can really visualize it. That is the power of Storyboard English.
Now it is your turn. We have a small challenge for you.
In the comments or in your notebook, write 3 sentences about your home. 1. Where do you live? 2. Use one adjective like cozy or modern. 3. What is your favorite room?
For example, I live in a modern apartment in Tokyo. It is small. My favorite room is the kitchen.
Simple, right? Thank you so much for listening to Storyboard English.
Don't forget to subscribe for more easy conversations. See you next time. Bye.